In today's video, we are going to take a close look at Spartamax ingredients, with an in-depth breakdown of what's actually inside the formula. If you've been searching for a clear, straightforward guide to Spartamax ingredients explained step by step, this video will walk you through everything you need to know in a simple and informative way. Before we get into the full Spartamax ingredients breakdown, if you're already curious about trying this supplement, you can check out the special discount link right below this video in the description. Now let's talk about what Spartamax is and what it's designed to do. Spartamax is a dietary supplement formulated to support extended energy levels, male performance, and overall vitality. Instead of relying on stimulants, it uses a combination of amino acids, plant extracts, and antioxidants that are commonly associated with circulation, stress balance, and physical endurance. The idea behind the formula is to support the body's natural systems, especially those related to blood flow, energy production, and resilience, so that stamina and performance feel more consistent over time. Over the past several months, interest in Spartamax has remained consistently high, and many users have reported difficulty finding it in stock at times. Because availability can shift quickly depending on demand, it's a good idea to use the link in the description to check the current stock status before diving deeper, so you don't waste time researching a product that may not be immediately available. Now, let's move into the core of this Spartamax ingredients guide for 2026, starting with a detailed and neutral breakdown of each component in the official formula. It's also worth mentioning that some online sources list slightly different ingredient variations, but this analysis is based on the primary formulation most consistently reported by the manufacturer. The first ingredient is L-arginine. This is an amino acid that plays a key role in the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax blood vessels and support healthy circulation. Improved blood flow is often associated with better delivery of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, which can influence stamina, endurance, and overall physical performance. Because of this mechanism, L-arginine is frequently included in supplements focused on energy and male performance. Next is Tongkat Ali, a plant extract traditionally used in male wellness formulas. It is often associated with supporting natural energy levels, vitality, and overall balance. Some research suggests it may play a role in supporting hormonal health and reducing the impact of stress-related fatigue, which can indirectly affect stamina and performance. In the context of Spartamax, Tongkat Ali contributes to the broader goal of supporting consistent energy and vitality. The third ingredient in this Spartamax ingredients breakdown is maca root. Maca is known for its role in supporting endurance and sustained energy without acting as a stimulant. Instead of creating a temporary boost, it's often described as helping the body maintain steady energy levels over time. This makes it a common inclusion in formulas aimed at improving stamina and overall vitality, especially for individuals looking for a more balanced approach to energy support. Moving on, we have ashwagandha. This is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress. Chronic stress can affect energy levels, focus, and overall performance. So, ingredients that support stress balance are often included in wellness formulas. Ashwagandha is commonly associated with promoting a calmer state while still supporting mental clarity and physical resilience, which can contribute to more stable energy and improved daily performance. Another ingredient in Spartamax is horny goat weed. Despite the unusual name, this is a traditional botanical that has been used for centuries in male-focused formulations. It is often associated with supporting circulation and overall vitality. In combination with other ingredients that influence blood flow, it contributes to the broader goal of supporting physical performance and stamina in a balanced way. Next in this in-depth breakdown is beetroot. Beetroot is naturally rich in nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide. This complements the role of L-arginine, as both ingredients support similar pathways related to circulation. Better circulation is often linked to improved endurance and more efficient oxygen delivery during physical activity, which can support sustained energy levels throughout the day. Finally, we have grapeseed extract. This ingredient is known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. In addition to that, it is often associated with supporting vascular health, which ties back into the overall focus on circulation. By helping maintain healthy blood vessels, grapeseed extract plays a supportive role in the overall structure of the Spartamax formula. If you found this breakdown helpful, showing some support with a quick like goes a long way. When you look at the Spartamax ingredients as a whole, the formula follows a clear pattern. It combines ingredients that support circulation, stress balance, and energy metabolism. Rather than relying on a single pathway, it uses a multi-ingredient approach designed to support male performance, stamina, and vitality in a more consistent and gradual way. If you're considering trying Spartamax for yourself, don't forget to check the special discount link in the description below. To wrap up this Spartamax Ingredients Explained Guide for 2026, the key takeaway is that the formula is built around well-known components commonly used in male wellness supplements, each contributing to a different aspect of energy and performance.